Wait. Mau fokus dulu. Tugas yang baru lagi, Jess?
Ya.
Mana kau?
Udah mulai lagi nih.
Mulai dulu.
Go ahead.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hai guys. Hi guys, I'm DEVERA SHINTA ANANDA. I will presentation about three articles. The first is learning strategies applied by the students in writing English text. The second is EFL students' perception of lab learning in writing class. The third is effect of story maps on EFL students' achievement in writing narrative text. The first article, this article aims to verify the research finding about what learning strategies applied by students in writing text and learning impact strategies on students' writing scores. This is qualitative descriptive study, and it was done in the Department of Communication Science, Muhammadiyah University of Ponorogo. Tools used to collect the data are observation, documentation, and questionnaire. After analyzing data, it was found that the learning strategies used by students were writing English text is metacognitive strategy. That students use learning strategies at the moderate level, which means they sometimes using this learning strategy. The learning strategies used by students in writing affect students' writing scores. Students with good grades use metacognitive strategy, while students with moderate scores use affective strategy. Therefore, the learning strategies used by students determine students' grades. The second article is about EFL student perception on flat learning in writing class. This article aims to determine the perception of EFL students toward application of lab learning in writing class. The students are in 4th semester writing skills for learning. That the approach is carrying out for 1 semester, and the questionnaire later distribute at the end of the semester. The implementation of flipped learning in the EFL class in this case is writing 3 classes has shown that is implemented successfully, like most students respond positively to the questionnaire. In addition, students grade satisfying because they were able to submit a well-written project and midterm and final exam. And the last article is about effect of story maps on EFL students' achievement in writing narrative text. The purpose of this article was to investigate the effect of story maps used in approach to the achievement process of writing narrative text for junior high school students. The students in the experimental group are taught using story maps when they follow the written process approach narrative text, while the control group was taught in conventional method that is done through writing notes. The application of story maps saw a positive effect on students' achievement in writing narrative text. This shows that story maps can be applied to students with different learning styles. The use of the process writing approach also has a positive impact on student achievement in writing narrative text. Okay, maybe that's all can I say. Any question about my presentation?
I have
Hai.
one, ma'am.
Oke, Rizky, silahkan.
In the first article, students using metacognitive strategies. My question is, what are metacognitive strategies, and can you give me example in more detail, ma'am? Thank you.
Okay, Rizky, thank you. I will answer the Rizky question. Metacognitive strategies refers to general knowledge about how humans learn, think, and absorb information. For example, we consciously learn while listening to music because that's how we learn better. Gimana, Rizky?
Oh yeah, I see, ma'am. Thank you.
Oke. Baiklah, sampai di sini presentasi kita. Ditutup ya. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks, ma'am, for your show.
Thank you, ma'am. See you next week.
Thank you, ma'am in chess.
Yeah. Well.
Yeah.